Is your iPhone battery draining too fast on iOS 26? Don't worry. Here are some quick fixes you can try right now. Method 1. Disable liquid glass and color effects. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Next, select Display and Text Size. Find the Reduce Transparency option and toggle it on. This replaces the glossy liquid glass background with a solid one, reducing battery strain. Then, long press your home screen, tap Edit in the top right corner, select Customize, and switch off any vibrant color settings. Choose the default setting to save battery further. Method 2. Enable low power mode and optimize charging. Open the Settings app and tap Battery. Toggle on low power mode to instantly reduce background activity and power usage. Next, tap Battery Health and Charging, then select Charging Optimization. Enable optimized battery charging to help maintain battery health by reducing wear and tear over time. Method 3. Turn on Auto Brightness and Dark Mode. Go to Settings, tap Display and Brightness, and enable Auto Brightness to let your iPhone adjust screen brightness based on lighting conditions. While you're here, switch to Dark Mode, which is easier on your battery, especially on OLED displays like those on the iPhone 16. Method 4. Limit Background App. Refresh and Location Services. Head to Settings, tap General, then Background App, Refresh. Turn off this feature for apps you don't need updating in the background, like games or rarely used apps. Next, go back to Settings. Tap Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Disable location access for apps that don't need it, or set them to while using to minimize battery drain. And that's it. Your iPhone's battery life should now be much improved on iOS 26. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tips and tutorials.